So, hi, my name is José Ricardo Paula. I'm a assistant researcher in MARE from University of Lisbon. I lead the Behavior Ecology and Evolution group there. We mainly focus on how behavior evolves and adapts to different environments, and also how cognition is formed in relation to ecology. Mostly I focus on small animals called cleaner fish. What's the relevance of these mechanisms to biodiversity? And how can they modulate their behavior interactions in the wild. So yes, I've been seeing effects of climate change in cleaner fish. Post-acidification and ocean warming effects reduces the number of interactions between cleaners and clients, and there's direct mechanistic effect of dopamine, serotonin, and GABA on the effects that we see in their behavior. And from then on, we actually did more studies supported by SPECO, and we looked at hypoxia effects on cleaners, and we also seen behavioral disruptions and effects on their cognition related with lower oxygen in the oceans. We now have a big project funded by the Foundation for Luso-American Development. So basically the prediction here is, since you actually tend to aggregate biodiversity, if you have an issue with biodiversity in your system, biodiversity and abundance, you add cleaners as an attractor for other species to your ecosystem. Trying to understand what's the crucial role of biodiversity of cleaners. So basically what happens when cleaners are in the ecosystem. Is there more fish around there? We kind of have data showing that yes, when there's cleaners, they're actually aggregators of biodiversity. What happens when you remove the cleaners from the ecosystems around the world, concerning the effects of being a degraded ecosystem or not? Does having a cleaner have an effect in your ecosystem? So what it looks like is that in pristine ecosystems, yes, the effect is really strong. So when you have a cleaner, biodiversity aggregates around your cleaning station. But as soon as you're adding more and more effects, you actually start dropping this strong effect of cleaners. So it looks like this is it could be a mechanism or like a cool tool for you to introduce cleaners as your last step of restoration of an ecosystem. And also we are trying now to understand, we're going to start this summer here in Hawaii, what happens when we introduce cleaners to ecosystems that don't have cleaners, to use them as a restoration mechanism. So we're just now starting introductions here in Hawaii in some patch reefs that don't have cleaners, and I guess I'll keep you posted. Science is a passion, right? So if you have to be a bit in love with what you do to like keep persisting in this field, because it's a bit, as you know, it's a bit hard sometimes to move step by step. It has a huge ladder until stability. It's persistence, perseverance, and just if you do what you love, I'm pretty sure you will succeed. Your best resource in science is making friends and just making connections. People are normally really open to have you have new collaborations and to just have you staying in the lab for a while, just doing some new research. So yeah, that's definitely science for you.